already registered for the computing classes. And even my community friend is coming. Oh wow, that's great news, Angela. I'm definitely talking to my parents today, so I can join. Good day, Sir Eben. I've come to register.
Ah, Genevieve, hand me your form.
Here is my form. I don't want to miss learning technology.
You've made a great decision. Welcome aboard.
And that's why we really need to go. It will be so much fun. I hope my mom will let me.
Eureka! Green and yellow school.
And that is why we need to practice every day. You are right, we will definitely win the competition. I really hope so because we worked so hard.
Books and pens and fun.
Make good use of your vacation. Stay away from trouble and obey your parents. Join the vacation computing classes. Enjoy your holidays.
Hi Eureka! Learning is cool. Clap your hands. Stomp your feet.
I cannot believe Mr. Mensah gave us all that homework. He was just talking and talking forever. I know, right? I thought my head was going to explode.
Eureka!
I'm going to visit my cousins. We will go to the beach. That sounds like fun. I'm staying home to read. That's good too. The Kumasi trip is going to be so lit. You need to attend the computing classes. Build your future now. Kumasi is calling me.
Green and yellow school. Green and yellow school. We are happy here at our school. Books and pens and fun. Books and pens and fun. Learning every day for everyone. Eureka, Eureka. We love our school. Eureka,
Goodbye, Mom.
learning.
I'm going to school now. I'll see you later in the afternoon.
Stomp your feet. Together, together. It's so sweet. Eureka, Eureka. We love our school. Eureka, Eureka.
First, type your name right here.
Like this, sir.
Perfect. Now click enter.
Now I will save the file.
You did a great job. Excellent progress, everyone. Scholastica, notice how your code creates the shape on screen.
I see it now, Sir Eben. Learning computing during vacation is the best decision I've made.
Stomp your feet. Together, together. It's so sweet.
Senior, you made it! Of course, my brother. Let's go. I can't wait to check out that new game center. Me too. It's just past that bright yellow building. Let's see who gets there first. Watch out! I'm coming for you! No way! Look at that move. Oh, you got me! Evans, look at the date. School resumes in just 2 days. We need to pack up and get back to Bolgatanga before classes start. You're right, Junior. Let's head back and get ready. Happy new term. Are you ready for computing class today? You know it. I'm so excited to get back to the lab. Are you ready for the big test today? I think so. I studied all last night. Me too. I hope we both get an A.
Learning is cool. Eureka. Eureka. Yay!
Junior, look at this computing test result. Why did your score drop so low?
I'm sorry, Sir Eben. I promised to study harder.
Consistency is what keeps you sharp. What do you think you should learn from this?
I need to stay disciplined and keep practicing.
Exactly.
Traveling is not bad. Having fun during vacation is not bad either. But I should have planned my time better. I can't let my enjoyment hurt my academics and my future. Angela, please, can you help so much in computing while I was away? What I missed so I can catch up? Of course, Junior. Sitting down and going over the notes together will make it easy. I really love learning new things every day. My school is such a wonderful place. I want to make my family proud. Education is our future.